क्या तुम आ सकते हो? कैन यू कम? कैन यू कम? ये मेरा फर्ज है। इट इज माई ड्यूटी। इट इज माई ड्यूटी। क्या तुम टीवी देखते हो? डू यू वॉच टीवी? डू यू वॉच टीवी? अपने बाल बना लो। comb your hair. comb your hair. इसे वापस रखो। put it back. put it back. मैंने एक फैसला लिया है। I have made a decision. I have made a decision. अपना मूड ठीक करो। set your mood. set your mood. लाइट चली गई। there is a power cut. there is a power cut. पंखा चला दो। turn on the fan. turn on the fan. पानी ले आओ। bring water. bring water. चाय ठंडी हो रही है। the tea is getting cold. the tea is getting cold. समझने की कोशिश करो। try to understand. try to understand. मुझसे मिलो। meet me. meet me. क्या तुम आ रहे हो? are you coming? are you coming? हाँ वो आ रहा है। yes he is coming. yes he is coming. क्या वो जा रहा है? is he going? is he going? हाँ वो जा रहा है। yes he is going. yes he is going. तुम कैसे हो? how are you? how are you? मैं ठीक हूँ। I am fine. I am fine. तुम उसे कब देखोगे? When will you see him? When will you see him? क्या तुम मुझे घर ले जाओगे? Will you take me home? Will you take me home? क्या तुमने अपनी योजना बदली? Did you change your plan? Did you change your plan? क्या तुमने उस विषय पर बात की? Did you discuss that topic? Did you discuss that topic? क्या तुमने समय पर खाना खाया? Did you eat on time? Did you eat on time? क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क किया? Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? क्या तुम उसे फिर बुलाओगे? Will you call him again? Will you call him again? क्या तुमने उसका फोन उठाया? Did you pick up his call? Did you pick up his call? तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? क्या तुमने उसे अब तक बताया? Did you inform him yet? Did you inform him yet? क्या तुमने उसे माफ कर दिया? Did you forgive him? Did you forgive him? क्या तुमने अपने जूते पहने? Did you put on your shoes? Did you put on your shoes? क्या तुमने उसकी मदद की? Did you help him? Did you help him? क्या तुमने दरवाजा खोला? Did you open the door? Did you open the door? क्या तुमने उसे सही से समझा? Did you understand him correctly? Did you understand him correctly? क्या तुमने घर साफ किया? Did you clean the house? Did you clean the house? क्या तुम अब सो रहे हो? Are you sleeping now? Are you sleeping now? क्या तुमने खाना समय पर खाया? Did you eat on time? Did you eat on time? क्या वो कल वापस आएगा? Will he come back tomorrow? Will he come back tomorrow? क्या तुमने आज बाजार से सब्जी खरीदी? Did you buy vegetables today? Did you buy vegetables today? क्या तुमने अपनी घड़ी पहनी? Did you wear your watch? Did you wear your watch? क्या तुमने मुझे घर पर बुलाया? Did you invite me home? Did you invite me home? क्या तुमने उसे समझने की कोशिश की? Did you try to understand him? Did you try to understand him? तुमने मुझे ये क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me this? Why didn't you tell me this? क्या तुमने मुझे फोन करने की योजना बनाई? Did you plan to call me? Did you plan to call me? क्या तुम उसे बाजार से ले आओगे? Will you take him to the market? Will you take him to the market? तुमने अपना फोन कब बंद किया? When did you switch off your phone? When did you switch off your phone? क्या तुमने अब तक कपड़े धोए? Did you wash your clothes yet? Did you wash your clothes yet? क्या वो कल आ रहा है? Is he coming tomorrow? Is he coming tomorrow? तुमने उसे कब बुलाया? When did you call him? When did you call him? क्या तुमने अपनी घड़ी देखी? Did you check your watch? Did you check your watch? क्या वो आज काम पर आ रहा है? Is he working today? Is he working today? क्या तुमने अपनी कार साफ की? Did you clean your car? Did you clean your car? क्या तुमने दरवाजा बंद किया? Did you close the door? Did you close the door? क्या तुमने उसे समय पर बताया? Did you inform him on time? Did you inform him on time? क्या तुमने घर पहुंचने की योजना बनाई? Did you plan to reach home? Did you plan to reach home? क्या तुमने मेरी मदद की? Did you help me? Did you help me? क्या तुमने फोन को देखा? Did you check the phone? Did you check the phone? क्या वो अभी भी बात कर रहा है? Is he still talking? Is he still talking? क्या तुम उसे फिर मिलोगे? Will you meet him again? Will you meet him again? क्या तुमने उसे घर भेजा? Did you send him home? Did you send him home? क्या तुमने अपने कपड़े बदले? Did you change your clothes? Did you change your clothes? तुमने अपने जूते कहाँ रखे? Where did you keep your shoes? Where did you keep your shoes? क्या तुमने अभी तक फोन किया? Did you call yet? Did you call yet? क्या तुम उसे फिर से देखोगे? Will you see him again? Will you see him again? क्या तुमने इसे समझने की कोशिश की? Did you try to understand this? Did you try to understand this? तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? क्या तुम अब तक सो रहे थे? Were you sleeping until now? Were you sleeping until now? क्या तुमने ये काम किया? Did you do this work? Did you do this work? क्या तुमने सब कुछ किया? Did you do everything? Did you do everything? क्या तुम कल मिल सकते हो? Can you meet me tomorrow? Can you meet me tomorrow? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलना चाहते हो? Do you want to meet me? Do you want to meet me? तुम मुझसे कब मिलोगे? When will you meet me? When will you meet me? क्या तुमने अपना बिस्तर बनाया? Did you make your bed? Did you make your bed? तुम अब कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? क्या तुमने किताब पढ़नी शुरू की? Did you start reading the book? Did you start reading the book? क्या तुमने उसे बुलाया? Did you call him? Did you call him? क्या तुम कल बाजार जा रहे हो? Are you going to the market tomorrow? Are you going to the market tomorrow? क्या तुम मुझे कल मिलोगे? Will you meet me tomorrow? Will you meet me tomorrow? तुम कब वापस आओगे? When will you come back? When will you come back? क्या तुमने उसे बता दिया? Did you inform him? Did you inform him? क्या तुमने ये मेरे लिए किया? Did you do this for me? Did you do this for me? क्या तुम मुझे कल मिल सकते हो? Can you meet me tomorrow? Can you meet me tomorrow? क्या तुमने उसका फोन उठाया? Did you pick up his phone? Did you pick up his phone? क्या तुमने वो किताब पढ़ी? Did you read that book? Did you read that book? क्या तुमने उसे ये बात बताई? Did you tell him this matter? Did you tell him this matter? क्या तुमने अपना कमरा साफ किया? Did you clean your room? Did you clean your room? तुमने उसे कब बुलाया? When did you call him? When did you call him? क्या तुमने उसे मेरी बात बताई? Did you tell him what I said? Did you tell him what I said? क्या तुमने अपनी घड़ी देखी? Did you look at your watch? Did you look at your watch? क्या तुमने अपने जूते पहने? Did you wear your shoes? Did you wear your shoes? क्या तुमने अपनी घड़ी ठीक की? Did you fix your watch? Did you fix your watch? क्या तुम अब सो रहे हो? आर यू स्लीपिंग नाउ? आर यू स्लीपिंग नाउ? क्या तुमने सुबह नाश्ता किया? डिड यू हैव ब्रेकफास्ट इन द मॉर्निंग? डिड यू हैव ब्रेकफास्ट इन द मॉर्निंग? क्या तुमने आज कुछ नया सीखा? डिड यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू टुडे? डिड यू लर्न समथिंग न्यू टुडे? तुमने ये कहाँ से खरीदा? वेयर डिड यू बाय दिस? वेयर डिड यू बाय दिस? क्या तुमने अपनी कॉपी खोली? डिड यू ओपन योर नोटबुक? डिड यू ओपन योर नोटबुक? क्या तुमने अब तक काम शुरू किया? डिड यू स्टार्ट वर्क येट? डिड यू स्टार्ट वर्क येट? क्या तुम कल बाहर जा रहे हो? आर यू गोइंग आउट टुमारो? आर यू गोइंग आउट टुमारो? क्या तुमने अपनी कार चलाई? डिड यू ड्राइव योर कार? डिड यू ड्राइव योर कार? क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? विल यू हेल्प मी? विल यू हेल्प मी? मुझे अपना काम करना है। आई हैव टू वर्क। आई हैव टू वर्क। क्या तुमने चाय पी? डिड यू ड्रिंक टी? डिड यू ड्रिंक टी? तुमने किससे बात की? Whom did you talk to? Whom did you talk to? क्या तुमने ये देखा? Did you see this? Did you see this? क्या तुम कल आओगे? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? तुम अभी क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? क्या तुम स्कूल गए थे? Did you go to school? Did you go to school? क्या तुम घर पर हो? Are you at home? Are you at home? तुम्हें कैसे पता चला? How did you know? How did you know? उसने क्या कहा था? What did he say? What did he say? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलोगे? Will you meet me? Will you meet me? तुम कहाँ से आ रहे हो? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? क्या तुमने मुझे बताया? Did you tell me? Did you tell me? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? क्या तुमने उसे कॉल किया? Did you call him? Did you call him? मैं घर पर हूँ। I am at home. I am at home. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? क्या तुम कल स्कूल जाओगे? Will you go to school tomorrow? Will you go to school tomorrow? क्या तुम आज काम कर रहे हो? Are you working today? Are you working today? तुमने ये किससे सुना? Whom did you hear this from? Whom did you hear this from? क्या तुम मुझे कॉल कर सकते हो? Can you call me? Can you call me? क्या तुम्हें अब समय मिलेगा? Will you have time now? Will you have time now? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? क्या तुम अब व्यस्त हो? Are you busy now? Are you busy now? क्या वो सच बोल रहा है? Is he telling the truth? Is he telling the truth? क्या तुमने सब कुछ समझा? Did you understand everything? Did you understand everything? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? क्या तुम्हें सब कुछ मिला? Did you get everything? Did you get everything? तुम अब कहाँ हो? Where are you now? Where are you now? क्या तुमने उसे माफ किया? Did you forgive him? Did you forgive him? तुम मुझे कब बुलाओगे? When will you call me? When will you call me? तुम कितने बजे आओगे? What time will you come? What time will you come? मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क किया? Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? तुमने कौन सी किताब पढ़ी? Which book did you read? Which book did you read? क्या तुमने मुझे देखा? Did you see me? Did you see me? तुमने अपना काम कब किया? When did you do your work? When did you do your work? क्या वो तुमसे मिलने आएगा? Will he come to meet you? Will he come to meet you? तुमने उसे कल क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell him yesterday? Why didn't you tell him yesterday? क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क किया? Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग.